Tired of fumbling with your PIN every time you want to check your phone? Let's get rid of that screen lock and streamline your Android experience. But remember, this will reduce your device's security. First, unlock your phone and locate the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on it to open your phone settings. Now, scroll down within the Settings menu until you find an option related to security or lock screen. It might be labeled differently depending on your Android version, but look for something like security, lock screen, or biometrics and security. Tap on that option. Inside the security or lock screen settings, you should see an option called Screen Lock Type or something similar. Tap on it. You'll likely be prompted to enter your current PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Go ahead and enter that now. You'll now see a list of screen lock options. To disable your screen lock completely, select the option labeled None or swipe. Selecting None will remove all screen lock security measures. A confirmation prompt will appear. The prompt will warn you about the risks of removing your screen lock. If you understand the risks and still want to proceed, tap on Remove or Yes, and that's it. Your screen lock is now disabled. Now, when you turn on your phone, you will be able to go straight to your home screen. Remember, this makes your device less secure, so only do this if you are comfortable with the trade-off. Consider enabling other security features, like Find My Device, to help protect your data. Subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.